The easiest way to apply this texture is with a roller, but you may want to use your hands or other means to get enough material on the roller or to get enough material up to the ceiling to roll it out. We're going to work in small 3-foot by 3-foot sections. And when using our roller, we're going to completely cover the roller with texture. And then we're going to move from section to section, cross-rolling the edges to avoid ridges. For a fine, smooth texture, we're going to apply pressure to the roller to eliminate the stipple and the ridges. A lighter pressure on the roller produces a deep, heavy texture.